Jai Sri Gurudev. Good morning, children. In previous class, I had given you the classwork notes from poem number 1, The Cherry Tree. So apart from that work, today I am giving you grammar classwork, that is parts of speech. In bridge course classes, I had taught you about parts of speech with example. But today I will give you some examples from your lesson, that poem number 1, The Cherry Tree. There. Now let's get started. There are 8 parts of speech in English grammar. They are nouns, pronouns, verbs, adverbs, adjectives, conjunctions, prepositions, and interjections. So, children, in that poem number 1, The Cherry Tree, that poem have some words. You have to find out the parts of speech of that poem. But before that, I will give some examples from that poem. Remaining, you have to find in your home. First, number 1, nouns. See, cherry, one fruit's name, stone, one thing's name, ground, place name. These all are name of, they are called nouns. Naming things are called nouns. So, etc. These are called examples of nouns. Next, second one, pronouns. Pronouns means instead of noun or in place of noun we use pronouns. Example, I, them, my, etc. Third one, verbs. Verbs are action words. Action means what we are doing the work, that are called action doing, that is called verbs. Example, found, look, etc. Number 4, adverbs. So when we tell more about verbs are called adverbs. For example, once, soon, etc. Number 5, adjectives. Describing words are called adjectives. Tiny, up, etc. They are the examples of adjectives. Number 6, conjunctions. Conjunctions are join the words or sentences. For example, and. Seventh one, prepositions. Prepositions shows the relation between a word or sentence. For example, it, in, at, to, for, etc. Last one, interjections. It is a sudden strong feeling. So in that poem, they don't have any examples of interjections, but I introduction to you about the interjections now, and in previous bridge course classes also I explained and given the examples. You can watch that videos, you can get the examples of interjections. But children, how many examples I given apart from these words, you have to find some others parts of speech in your poem number 1, The Cherry Tree poem. I hope you can find out and write in your home notebook that there. Afterwards, when you come to school, that time you can show to me. And next thing, children, you have to write the English classwork 100 page 4 lines book, homework 100 pages 4 lines book, and another one 4 lines 100 pages book. You have to maintain your English grammar. That book is for English grammar. Separately, you have to write the grammar part in that book. Don't mixed with that classwork and other things. In that classwork separate, homework separate, and grammar book separate. Grammar notebook separate. You have to write how many grammar part I will give. That one you have to write in that book. So today's what I given the parts of speech, you have to write these notes in your English grammar notebook. And you have to write your name, grammar book, 4th standard, subject English, everything you have to mention in the front page. So, bye today.